Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today's video is finally my bathroom renovation reveal. If you're a current subscriber or if you've been watching my renovation vlogs, you'll know that I've been working on this for quite a while now, amongst other things. So I finally got it finished off, so I'm really excited to finally be able to show it to you. So if you're a new subscriber, hi, I'm Laura. On this channel I share my DIY projects. So I've done this bathroom renovation entirely by myself. The only thing that I had someone else in to help me with was actually relocating the soil pipe. Other than that, I've done absolutely everything, so I hope that this video gives you some inspiration to go and do it yourself. If I can do it, you can do it too. There's absolutely no reason why not. So because I have been covering this in my renovation vlogs, I'm just going to do a bit of a time lapse of start to finish and then show you it all finished off. So this is how it was looking to start off with. This bathroom hasn't been touched in absolutely years, so it was in desperate need of a refresh. So to start off with, obviously everything needed to be pulled out, so I ripped up the floor, removed the bath and the sink, and I was leaving the toilet until later on. All of the tiles were coming off, and luckily the plastering underneath wasn't too bad. There was just a little bit where the bath used to be that I filled with some bonding, and behind the radiator as well. So I panelled the walls on the lower parts. This was just some cheap wood from B&Q, and then all of that got painted over. Storage was really lacking in this house, so I decided that I wanted to build a bathroom cabinet and a sink unit. So I will link in the renovation vlog where I did this if you want to see it in a little bit more detail. I ended up having to wait a couple of weeks for the plumber to come to move the soil pipe. So I finally got round to being able to take the toilet out and then get some of the pipe work running. I boarded over the floor with hardboard just so that it was a flat surface for the flooring to go on, so I was going to be putting down cushion vinyl flooring. It was then time to do the toilet and make way for the bath to go in, so I needed to chase out some of the wall just so that there was enough room for the pipework for the shower. I then used some timber to make a frame for the bath against the wall and finished off the piping for the bath before that went in. I then moved on to doing the sink unit. I had to leave this till last because otherwise I wouldn't have had enough room to move the bath around. So I will also link the video where I did the sink unit if you want to see this in more detail too. Finished off the panelling and around the sink unit, and this piping will get boxed in. It was then time to get on with painting the rest of the wood. I added in another frame for the front of the bath for some extra support and somewhere for the bath panel to sit against. I'm still waiting on this top set of tiles to set before I grout, so until I've grouted I can't put the shower in. All of the paintwork has been varnished, so that is protected now. Next up is the floor, so I'm going to take the toilet out so that I can do all the way up to the back. Measured dimensions, so I'll cut this downstairs. Really happy with how this turned out. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, and it's been a pleasure relaxing in a nice hot bubble bath in here, so it's definitely been worth all of the hard work. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.